Hello, EVC students. This is Dr. Hayes. I teach in the biology department. I'm just going to take a minute of your time to tell you a little bit about my plants and human welfare class. It is Biology 62, and it is a 3-unit lecture-only class, perfect for graduation. So let me ask you, where did you see a plant in your life today? Outside? Sure. Maybe you have some in the house, but this class will be talking about so many other things besides just plants in your front yard. Of course, you have plants used to make paper, a sweater, muffin, cups to hold the coffee, a chair, of course, made out of wood, t-shirts made out of cotton, desks, dollar bills. Did you know dollar bills are made out of cotton? Of course, we're going to talk about coffee and tea, making drinks from plants. We talk a lot about sugar. We talk about gardening. You know what this is? This is aloe vera, so we'll also talk about medicinal plants. How about this? That's rice growing in a rice paddy. We'll talk about grains, rice, wheat, oats. We talk about psychoactive plants. This is poppy, which is from this in the back, you can extract opium. Fruits and vegetables, of course, everyone's going to get hungry listening to that lecture. Talk about flowers, a whole chapter on flowers. These are tulips. They're beautiful. We'll also talk about the history of tulips in the Netherlands. Marijuana. That's a big topic, especially politics, and we'll talk about how that grows. Redwood trees. We'll talk about trees, of course, using wood to make all those things in your house. This is our textbook. It's called Plants in Society. You can choose any edition you want of the book. The most recent one is the 8th edition. Students can rent the older 6th edition. It's $10 to rent. 7th edition you can have, or the 8th edition, which is the one that I use mostly. It's good to have the textbook with you in order to study. This class is perfect for non-science majors, actually. I can make difficult topics easy. I like to tell stories to make connections. I use a lot of videos so you can see plant biology in action. We have online discussions on Canvas with other students, talk about interesting things in our lives related to plants. The exams and homeworks are every 2 weeks. I write the lectures, I write the homework, and I write the exam questions. So none of it's going to surprise you. And finally, we will write a research paper on your choice of these topics. You can write about medicinal plants. You can write about family plants that are special to you. You can write about invasive plants in California, taking over. Plants used by Native Americans in San Jose, the Ohlone people. You could write about that. So if you have any questions, just send me an email. It's just my name, lisa.hayes@evc.edu. Just be sure you don't put any in Hayes. I hope to hear from you.